Alright, all the computing goes right here. So what I have here is an Arduino Uno connected to a relay shield and connected to an RTC. So what's happening here is the RTC detects what time it is during the day. It communicates to the Arduino, which decides whether or not to turn on the electricity for my solenoid valve. I have it connected to my water line, and on one side I have the manual hose and the other side I have the solenoid valve. So when the solenoid valve activates, it releases the water into the garden. And it does this every night at 11 p.m. And the splitter, it directs the water between two tubes, and then these are all drip tubes. Alright, so I know it's the end of the growing season, we're going in the fall right now. So it's not as great as it used to look, however it's still going pretty strong. So basically what I got going here, I got tomatoes, basil, I have a bell pepper, and then the rest of the back are just flower plants which have, with the cold, kind of gone away. But that's basically the greenhouse part. I added this cloth on the top so that it would block out a lot of the light. No, that would block out a lot of like the UV rays and the heat, so it could absorb a lot of it and reflect it back into the atmosphere. Because we've tried growing plants here before, however, the sun just beats down. It like definitely withers away and dries out the plants crazy fast. So to fix that, I put a little cloth on top of it, and it's worked wonders.